what's up? My name's TechNobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to make those Spotify share codes that you see in pictures if you're trying to use a Cricut to make one, for example, print one, etc, etc. It's super simple, and all you need to do is head across to spotifycodes.com, which you'll find linked in the description down below. Essentially, you can share any Spotify URI, playlists, albums, songs, probably even more, and it's really simple to do so. Once you're on this page over here, simply pull up Spotify, either on the web or the app, and all you need to do is right-click any song, share, and copy song link. On mobile, you'll need to click share, and you may have the option to copy the Spotify URI. If not, don't worry, copy the link. Head across to this website, select all the text here, and paste it in, whether it's a link or a URI, and click Get Spotify Code. After doing so, you'll see it correct itself to Spotify track, Spotify album, Spotify playlist, whatever it is, and you'll get this image on the far right-hand side here. Then we can choose what we want to do with this. If you'd like, you can scan this code over here, screenshot it, share it, etc. You can also change the background color, foreground color between black and white. That's the only two options you have. Change the size and download your image when you're done with it. By default, it's a JPEG picture. You can download a PNG for a higher quality copy, and of course an SVG for a practically infinite quality copy, but you can't really view this everywhere. If you're embedding this on websites, printing it at much larger scales, using a Cricut, etc., you'll need to download the SVG format instead. For me, I'll just download the PNG as a pure example. I'll leave the size as the default, and I'll click download here. When it's done, you'll see it downloads in your browser, and clicking on it to open it up, it pulls up the Windows Photo Viewer or whatever your photo viewer is. Of course, if you zoom in on it and you see these rough edges, you may want to make it a bit bigger depending on how large you're going to be printing this or displaying it otherwise. In order to actually scan this image, pull up your phone or any mobile device with a camera in it and click the search button to bring up the search bar where you can type. On the very top right or the right-hand side of that search block where you're typing, you'll see a little camera button. Upon clicking it, simply point it at your screen, a piece of paper, a print, a cut, whatever it is of the Spotify share code, and it should open up and start playing the song pretty much immediately. Just do note that it plays the song pretty much immediately, so if it's something rather inappropriate, do make sure your volume is turned down first, even if you don't know what it is. Anyways, at this point, you're practically done. That's really about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!